Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by connecting essentials to hear changes immediately. Plug your guitar into a tuner first, then chain pedals in signal order. This preserves dynamics and tone. Once done, power pedals with an isolated supply to prevent ground loop hum, and use short, shielded cables for noisy environments. Make sure to set pedal volumes low during initial setup so you avoid sudden loud bursts. This gets you a stable, noise-free foundation before dialing sounds. Now focus on shaping sound. Set drive pedals with gain at low starting points, then increase until you hear desired saturation. This prevents masking. Use an amp effects loop or a parallel wet/dry splitter for spatial effects like delay and reverb so time-based units stay clear. Once you route signals, tweak EQ on each gadget. Cut unwanted mids or lows before boosting highs to keep clarity. Also, check phase relationships when blending signals. Out-of-phase combos thin the tone. Finish by setting relative volumes so each gadget sits in the mix at unity gain where possible. This preserves headroom and avoids clipping. Once done, save settings or mark knob positions and label power/patch cables for repeatable rigs. If something sounds wrong, ground hum, signal loss, or weird phase, systematically isolate. Mute pedals, unplug and replug one unit at a time, swap cables, and test battery versus supply. That process quickly reveals the faulty link, so you can fix it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.